Привет, товарищи. Как дела? Что делаешь? I'll tell you what you're doing. We are going to make тушеная курица в сметане, also known as stewed chicken in sour cream. And if you don't have chicken, go to the store and get chicken. And as you can see, this recipe is so easy. You can do it outdoors in your desert outpost. All right, this is a serving for 2 people, okay? So we're gonna have 2 chicken thighs. You're gonna wanna heat your pan. We're gonna heat that to a medium high. 1 tablespoon of butter. Drop your chicken in the hot pan. And we're just doing this to get a little color on there. While that's going, we're gonna cut the onion. And I like to leave them a little thicker just so you have more of a bite. Go ahead and add those onions. And the onions are now cooking in the fat of that chicken. Chicken thighs are a little fattier cut, so you get all that flavor. You're gonna take 1 teaspoon of flour right onto the pan. And we're gonna add the flour now because you want it to cook down. You don't wanna taste the flour. And this is to thicken it up. It's sort of like a roux. You know what, I like my sauce a little thicker. Let's add 2 teaspoons of flour. You wanna cook that flour for about 45 seconds. Doesn't need long. You're gonna do a 1/2 cup of water. You're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And as soon as that comes to a boil, we're gonna cover that and we're gonna set our timer 20 minutes. And I really like this dish because it's inexpensive, it's easy, it's very comforting, and you know, you can make this once and have it for the rest of the week if you make a bigger portion. 20 minutes is up. So it's starting to get nice and thick, the water almost fully reduced. Look at that thick gravy. We're going to shut that to very low, and we're going to add 4 tablespoons of smetane. We're gonna cook that for 5 minutes on low, uncovered. Some parsley and some dill. And this is the point when you're gonna add your salt, right at the very end. So it'll be 3 big pinches, about 1/8 teaspoon. Baby doll, that is so good. That's good. Nice, tender chicken. We're gonna shut that off, let it cool off 5 minutes. All right, let's give that a try. Baby doll, that is so good. It's really good with that buckwheat. The flavor, that sauce, the chicken with that earthy, nutty buckwheat. Plus, most of these ingredients can be found anywhere. Chicken thighs, very inexpensive cut of chicken, a little higher in fat, so it gives you that flavor. You can use drumsticks if you want. You can use chicken breast if you want to be even leaner. I know the smetana already has that fat, but if you have the macros for it, go full fat, get chicken thighs. You will thank me later. If you don't know how to make buckwheat, I did just do a recipe in my shorts, so go check it out. Super easy, super easy. It's all super easy.